You're next. Before we begin, remember that this class is for educational purposes only, is not medical advice. Please work within your own limits. If you experience pain, dizziness, or any concerning symptoms, stop immediately and consult your healthcare provider. By participating, you accept responsibility for your own health and safety.
All right, so a lot of people ask me the questions, what's the best way to start the program? If you skip many years, not doing anything, you've been, I don't know, depressed, whatever your excuse is, or you've been injured and you're back. And I would say, or older person, they still get that fear about maybe pain is coming back. Start with no gravity. Start on the floor. Eliminate that standing position, because this standing, it's really it's a complicated, and you load in your body. That's what's happening with you. You know, you load it differently on your spine. So everything on the floor, it's no gravity on your spine. And get those strengthening exercise with the band. See if you feel stronger. That's the key. Don't do standing exercise. Don't load your body with weights right away. And that's the mission. That's the key. On the floor, sometimes as people call this baby journey. When you baby, you're on your back, right? You lay down on your back. After you try to flip it on your belly. And that's what you do in your workouts. On the back, flip on the belly. After you do crowing, the baby start crowing, baby start half kneeling, and baby stand up. That's why we start Monday on the floor. Tuesday we go a little bit more like a tabletop position. Do half kneeling. Wednesday, Friday, we do standing up exercise and bands and jumping. We ready to go. If you don't, stay in the level where you're supposed to be. Don't let the ego destroy your body. Don't let the ego hurt you again, because most of the time it's ego and your testosterone, for sure. You guys enjoy your day. Ask those questions. We very love answer those questions, and keep asking them. Have a wonderful day.